Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, and be very welcome to another tool presentation. This week, the AI tool that I want to present to you is Claude Design. It's being one of the biggest launched recently by Anthropic. So let's have a look. So right now you are here in your usual Claude AI chat environment, and in the left side you will see the design logo. So you click here. And here we go. So now you are inside of Claude Design, a complete new interface for the design aspect. And it is really powerful because it will let you build a lot of design assets, like slide decks, landing pages, forms, without you having a lot, if any, design skills. Because it will guide you and it will ask you the questions for more context so you can build something useful for yourself, for your brand, for your company, if you are a freelancer. You can see there is 4 sections. There is prototype, slide deck, front template, other. So we can build any of them, or if you want to start a new project, another section. But let's start with prototype. The first thing is to create a design system, right? So wait, if we go here and create design system, high fidelity, and we'll put test 2, and we click create. First of all, if you run a design system, we're gonna click edit. On my case, it's gonna be edit because I already have set up before, but you can do when you're gonna start, it will ask you from scratch. So here he wants the company name. I will say I had already something to add, so let's say GP. Let's say the name of my company is GP. Helps scales up, turn operational costs into a competitive advantage through all AI automation, RevOps precision, and systems that actually stick. So that's the first set of information I will give. Here you can provide examples, GitHub repos, repositories, any link from your computer, and so on. But let's start like that and see what happens. It said it will take 5 minutes, so let's click generate. You can see in the left that it will go through this checkbox, so explore provided assets, create readme modified, set project title, etc, etc, etc. It's already asking some questions. Doesn't have any asset, true. Figma links, screenshots, if you want to. So it needs more information. Let me see if I can use any of these already built from Claude. If I click copy, will it copy? Not really. Download file. Okay, I will download this structure. GP brand name. Fine. I hope it took everything. Okay. Let's now upload, import. I created a test one, as you can see, with my logo, the color palette, any kind of design information. If you ideally you already have for your own brand and company. Now I'm gonna upload the file. I will find it on here. doesn't appear. Yeah, okay. Because I was looking for a Figma file. I want to add any other name. Brand structure. Yeah, sounds good. How did it import? There we go. And I'll send. Now it's reading. And hopefully now it will be able to create a prototype based on the information provided of my brand. Cool. While he's building, let me see something. Set profile tab is working. Let him work. Why is Claude Design so important? It impacted a lot the market, especially the design tools companies. So you can see it is post from Bull Theory, and they say it in caps lock. No SaaS company is safe from Claude now. I've in the past already reported about the SaaS apocalypse. So basically, that every single service and tech tool provider are under danger, in the sense that Claude is able now to impact and absorb part of their market share of every single tool. And right now, the field that was targeted was design. And you can see that both Figma and Adobe stocks declined on one day by quite a meaningful number. So Adobe went almost 2%, but Figma went at around 7%. So that was quite a drop. So that's the power of Claude Design, and the investors already moved from it, and that's why there were some selling on those design tools. Now, if I come back here to Claude Design, this is the one. It's still working on it. So why not we see the introduction of Claude Design in the Anthropic page. Here it's the page that you will find on the comment section regarding the presentation of Claude Design. Here you have some of the information, introduction video, how to use it. I recommend everyone to see the introduction video to have a little starting to have a grasp on how the tool works and where are the functionalities, edit settings, and so on. And here, as they said, you can create a lot of different assets, realistic prototypes, product wireframes and mockups, design exploration, pitch decks and presentations. I think that will be very helpful in the financial and corporate world. Marketing collaterals, like landing page, social media assets, campaign visuals, and frontier design. Corporate prototype with voice, video, 3D, so on. There's more information, but you can see it by yourself, of course. Now coming back to our design. Still taking some time, so I will pause the video right now and I will come back in a moment once it's ready. See you in a moment. Hello again. I just wanted to show also this part is very important. So I asked to create a marketing page and it's asking a set of questions. So for example, which session should the page include? Which is the primary audience for this page? The primary CTA. So basically, even though you don't have any unlimited design skills, the Claude Design will guide you through those questions and a set of answers. So you can select what is better. Let's say I want here RevOps and sales leader for my primary audience. Which section should I page include? Hero headline and CTA, because why not, and so on. So I will show you in a moment the complete result. And here we have our result. So as you can see, that's the page with all the details. Of course, bear in mind that we didn't give a lot of detailed instructions, so I gave a lot of freedom for Claude Design to choose how to create this page with some information I got from Claude AI. You can see, so we have my logo, GP dot, AI for RevOps, built for scale ups, stop firefighting your revenue stack, see how it works, start free trial, and here is some more information about the page, about the service being provided. Your CRM is a mess, your data is stale, your reps are doing admin. Connected, automated, done. And yeah, it looks like quite a pretty neat page, no? Everything your ops team actually needs. Here a fake testimonial, head of RevOps. Used to spend 2 days every month pulling together forecasts. Now we cut it to 30 minutes. Nice. Ready to stop the chaos? If you see the lower part, exactly the same as every single website. Starting free trial doesn't just go up and down. See how it works. Brings you down. Features brings you down. Okay. I mean, it's fine for what it is, right? So that's all for today. That was the result. There is much more you can build, forms, prototypes, and a lot more. I will drop the Anthropic presentation on the comment section. You can have a look. Please check the introduction video. And that's it. See you next time for another AI tool introduction.